Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make ranch dressing with mayonnaise. First, let's gather our core ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of your favorite mayonnaise as the creamy base. Next, we'll add some buttermilk for that classic tang, about 1/4 cup. Don't forget your fresh herbs and spices, which are key to a vibrant flavor. This simple method ensures a delicious, homemade dressing every time. Now let's combine everything. In a medium bowl, whisk together your 1 cup of mayonnaise and 1/4 cup of buttermilk. Gradually add your dried herbs like dill, parsley, and chives, along with garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and black pepper. Whisk thoroughly until the mixture is completely smooth and well combined. A small squeeze of fresh lemon juice, about 1 teaspoon, will brighten the flavors beautifully. Once your dressing is mixed, it's time to perfect its consistency and taste. If it's too thick, add a tablespoon of milk or water at a time until it reaches your preferred pourable texture. Now, give it a taste and adjust any seasonings. You might want a bit more salt, pepper, or a pinch more garlic powder. Finally, cover and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to let the flavors meld. Your delicious homemade ranch dressing is now ready to enjoy. It's perfect for salads, as a dip for vegetables, or even on sandwiches. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. For a fresh car scent, check out the Little Trees Black Ice link and other great deals in the description below. This simple recipe ensures you always have a tasty, versatile dressing on hand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.